Hello kids, I hope you have done the question of the previous exercise which were left as a homework, and now in today's class let us learn that how we have to subtract the normal fractions, the like and unlike fractions, and also the mixed fractions. Okay, so the only difference is here between addition and subtraction of the fraction is that we have to change the operator. That is, in the case of the addition, we were using the plus operator and we were adding the fractions. And in the case of the subtraction, we will use the minus operator and we are going to subtract the fractions. And again, all the rules are same. That is, if the fractions, they are like, the denominators are same, we can subtract them directly. And if it is not same, then we are going to change them into like fractions using the LCM method. Okay, and once done, we can then directly subtract them. Also, in the case of the mixed number, we have to use the same rules. That is, we can subtract the whole numbers first and then subtract the fractions. And the second rule and the second method we can use there is that we can change the mixed numbers to the normal fractions and then we can do the subtraction. Okay, so let us pick exercise 6F directly and do the questions of subtracting the fractions. So first question, kids, we have here is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So here we have two fractions, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, which are not the like fractions, they are unlike fractions. So when we have unlike fractions, we are going to take their LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12 directly. Why? Because they do not have any factors common in them. Okay, so I have written their product, which is 12. Now let us change them to the like fractions. So for that we have to multiply the denominator with 4 here and also with 4 here. This will be 4 by 12. Next one, we have 1 by 4. So here we are going to multiply the denominator with 3 and the numerator also with 3. This will become 3 by 12. So these are the two like fractions now which we can directly subtract. Okay, so what we are going to write here is 4 by 12 minus 3 by 12, which is equivalent to 12, 4 minus 3, 1 by 12. Okay, so you see kids, we have used the exact method which we have done using the addition, and the only difference is subtraction. Okay, so first question I have done. I'm picking two more questions here. I'm picking question number 4 now, where we have 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. So again, when we see these two fractions, they are unlike fractions. So we have to take the LCM of 6 and 4. So this is 6 and 4 here. 2 into 3, 2 into 2, then 3 and 2. They do not have any common factor. So LCM will be 3 into 2 into 2, which is 12. Okay, so now next what we have to do is we have to change these fractions to like fractions. How? Just multiply the denominator with 2, multiply the numerator also with 2. So we have 10 by 12. First fraction. Second fraction, we have 3 by 4. Multiply the denominator with 3 to make it 12, and same the numerator with 3 also, because we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. This is 9 by 12. So these are the two fractions, and now what we have to do is we have to subtract them directly. 9 by 10, 10 by 12 minus 9 by 12. This is 1 by 12. Simple, right? So this is how we have to do it. Another question, the last question I'm picking here, kids. Question number 10, where we have 8 by 11 minus 3 by 10. And again, when we see this, this is a unlike fraction and we have to take the LCM of denominators, that is 11 and 10. These two numbers, they do not have any common factor. So LCM will be their product, which is 110. Now change it. 8 by 11, multiply the denominator with 10, numerator also with 10. This will give us 80 by 110. Next one we have is 3 by 10. So this is 10 into 11 here, 3 into 11 here. This is 33 by 110, right? So we have changed the fractions and now subtract them. 80 by 110 minus 33 by 110. So let's subtract. 10 minus 3 will give us 7. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. This is 47 by 110, which is a proper fraction and our answer. Okay. So kids, this is how we have to pick these questions. And now we can move to the another exercise directly, exercise 6G. I'm writing exercise 6G here, and for this exercise what we have to do is we have to subtract the mixed numbers. Okay, so kids, now the first question here is, sorry, is 3 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So let us do this with method A, where we are subtracting the whole numbers and the fraction part separately. Okay, so we have three whole numbers as 3 minus 1, this 3 and this one, this will give us 2. And now let us pick up the fractional part. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So these are the unlike fraction. We have to change them to like. The LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6. Okay, so now let us change. 5 by 6, there is no need to change. Next fraction is 1 by 3. So let us change to like fraction. This will be multiply this with 2, multiply 1 with 2. We will get 2 by 6. So now let us subtract 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6, which is equal to 3 by 6. Right? So what we are left now with, we have 2, this part, and this we have 3 by 6. Let us also reduce it to the lowest form. This is 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6. So this fraction will become 1 by 2 now, right? And now we have both the parts, 2 here and 1 by 2 here. So we have subtracted here and we have also subtracted here. Now what we have to do is we have to combine these two answers. So the answer will be 2 into 1 by 2. This is our answer. This is our mixed number after we get subtract the given fractions. Okay. So this is first question we have done here. Now let me pick question number. These are easy. Let me pick F. Now let us take question F. We have 5 minus 4, 1 by 3. We do not have any fraction here. Let us change this to fraction by writing 1 in the denominator. And here let us change this to normal fraction. This will be 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. So these two are unlike fraction. We can make them same by taking the LCM of 1 and 3, which will be 3 here. Now what we have to do, change it to like fraction. So multiply 1 with 3, multiply 5 with 3. We will get 15 by 3 here, and the other there is no need to change because we already have 3 in the denominator. So now let us subtract. 15 by 3 minus 13 by 3 will give us 2 by 3, which is a proper fraction and our answer. Okay, so this is how kids we can do these questions. Same things you have to apply which we have learned in the addition part. The only changes in the operator here. Okay, also I'm taking one last question. I'm taking question, let me take J. Okay, we have 7 1 by 5 minus 2. Writing it here. J, 7 1 by 5 minus 2. Same thing, change this to normal fraction. 7 into 5 is 35 plus 1, 36 by 5 and 2 by 1. And now we have to take the LCM of 5 and 1, which will be LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5. Now let us change them to like fractions. So 36 by 5 Already we have 5 in the denominator, which is the LCM also, so there is no need to change it. Second one is 2 by 1, so let us multiply 1 with 5 and 2 with 5. So we will get 10 by 5 here. Now what we have to do? Subtract the two fractions. 36 by 5 minus 10 by 5 will give us 26 by 5, and this is the improper fraction, so we have to change it to mixed fraction. This is 5 into 5 is 25, 6 minus 5 is 1. Now we will write it into the mixed fraction form, which is Q quotient R remainder by the divisor, that is 5. 5 1 by 5 is the required answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, kids. Now decide whether to add or subtract and then solve. So we are given with a question which we have to see whether we have to divide or how. Vedika spent half of her pocket money on a movie and 1 by 4 on a new pen. What fraction of the total pocket money did she spend? So we are given that half of the pocket money she have used for a movie and 1 by 4 she has bought a pen. So when we are going to add these two fractions together, we will come to know that how much money she has spent on both movie and a new pen. Now what fraction of her total money did she spend? So that means we have to do the addition here to find the total pocket money, total, right? Next, Ankana did 3 by 8 of her homework on Saturday and 1 by 3 of her homework on Sunday. How much of the homework did she do over the weekend? So we have to combine the Saturday and Sunday's homework to get this answer. So again, this is addition of fractions. Next one is Mrs. Kumar bought 3 liters of milk in the morning. There was 5 by 8 liters of milk left in the evening. How much milk was used during the day? So this is a simple case of subtraction, right? From the given milk 3 liters, we have to subtract the milk which was left, so that we will get how much milk was used in the day. Next is, if 2 by 3 meters is cut from a ribbon which is 1 by 2 meters long, how much is the ribbon left? So from the total we have to subtract the given length. So again, this is subtraction case. The last one, a recipe needs 2 by 5 cup of milk and 1 by 3 cup of cream. Okay, how much more milk than cream is required? So we have to find the difference of the given milk and cream fractions here. Okay, so kids, these are very easy. You just have to solve them, and you know how we have to do it using the addition and subtraction of the simple and the mixed fractions, which we have done today and in the last class. Okay, please do these questions, try to solve them as per the given operators, and if you face any issues, you can always ask me over email. Okay, so now I'm going to see you all in the next class. Thank you.